Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a little exciting shopping, and this is going to be an unboxing and testing of the Good Girl LEGERE by Carolina Herrera. And yesterday I went to the store. I had a little sniff around, and I decided to go for this one, and I'm going to tell you all about it. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So I'm very excited, and I already know more or less how it smells from the store. It's more like a fresh take on the Good Girl. And I just love the bottle. For some reason I was drawn to that bottle rather than the original one. So let's see how it smells. I love this packaging. Oh, and I just realized this is actually velvet, which is a very nice touch. Oh my god. Wow. This is so beautiful. Wow, so this is 80 milliliters of the Perfume. Wow. This is so beautiful. That's why I just couldn't really resist it in the store. I just had to have it, and yeah, let's test it out. So I think this one, oh my god, I don't want to break it. How do I spray this? Okay, I think, okay. Oh, it's a nice sprayer as well. Let's do 2 sprays and see. Wow, it's like a crystal, basic crystal shoe, like a Cinderella. Oh my god. Oh, it's gorgeous. So this is, I tested the original one, and it was quite strong, so, and this one in comparison was much more fresh. So I thought, wow. Oh, it's gorgeous. So this one is, I feel, so there is no notes of coconut according to Fragrantica in this, but for me this is coconut. This is like a fresh, fruity, light coconut. But I read the notes, and over there it says there's ylang ylang as well, and I don't know, I just feel beautiful fresh coconut and orange blossom. Yeah, so I tried it yesterday in the store, and it lasted very long on my hand, but I just wanted to try it out here with you. My first impressions, because in the store, you know, you just kind of rushed around, and so it's not, you know, you don't get the full experience of testing perfume. So later on, the scent develops into tuberose, jasmine, and tonka bean and praline, and it's very, very sweet. So this fresh, what I would call coconut, and what some other people would call ylang ylang, slightly evaporates, and then it turns into the sweet, on the fresh side, sweet and floral fragrance. So yeah, these are my first impressions, and I just love it. I first of all love this bottle. I'm actually crazy about it. I was obsessed as soon as I saw the review of Socky London, when she reviewed the new perfume by Carolina Herrera, which was the Sublime, Good Girl Sublime. Then I thought, I have to try it. They already have 3 perfumes in the range, so I have to maybe choose the nicest one that works for me. So this was the one that I like the most. I don't think I even tried the Sublime, because I just threw myself on this one. So yeah, I just keep smelling it, and I just love it. It's just very sweet, I think this is going to be a man killer. I have a feeling, not only because of the obviously the bottle, but because of the scent itself. This is, I think, what apparently men like in perfume, which is, you know, slightly sweet and fresh and like sweet fruit and sweet flowers and all of that, and a little bit, you know, it has a bit of like a vanilla dry down as well, but just very delicate, mostly just sweet. So I would just call it a very sweet, fresh perfume with a very kind of sexy bottle, which I will be obsessed with. I think I will just put it in some prominent place around here, so you'll see it a lot in the background, I guess. So yeah, this is my first impressions, and I'm curious what you think about this perfume, if you have it or not. And in comparison with the original one, I was kind of thinking the original was, I don't know, a little bit too strong. This one is already strong, so don't get me wrong, this is not a weak perfume. But the other one, I thought I don't really need another strong perfume. I'd rather have something sweet and kind of cute, but I don't know, maybe it was just the wrong impression of the first original Good Girl. And you know, I just love this slogan, which is great. It says, "It's so good to be bad." It's just totally me. So what can I say? This is like me in a bottle, and yeah, I just love it. So anyway, I just wanted to share this with you quickly, and let me know what you think, if you like this perfume. And lots of kisses and hugs from London, and see you soon. Bye.